We're going to talk about a massive risk that dooms projects right from the very start. We'll show this again at the end. For now, let's get right to the heart of the problem. Just 0.5%. That's the tiny number of big projects that actually hit all their targets. So what on earth is going on here? This crazy failure rate means something is fundamentally broken. It's so common, it's called the iron law. And this isn't a guess, it's based on 16,000 projects. So what's the real killer here? It's not the budget, it's not the size, it's all about duration. This project duration actually has a name, and it sounds pretty intense, the window of doom. Because the longer that window stays open, the more chance a black swan event has to fly in. So, the takeaway is simple. Shorter duration equals less risk. The big question is, how? Well, the answer is kind of counterintuitive. It's not about rushing, it's about a complete mindset shift. It all starts with something that sounds a bit backward. You've got to master thinking slow. What does that mean? Think backward from the end goal, use past experience, and test everything rigorously. Okay, so once you have that solid plan, then it's all about acting fast to close that window. The most effective way to act fast is by using modularity, breaking big things into smaller, repeatable parts. This quote nails it. A successful project should sound like click, 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 just like Legos snapping together. So after all this, what's the single biggest risk you face? It's not the budget or timeline. The research is clear. The biggest threat isn't out there. It's in our own heads. It's you. So if you want to master your projects instead of them mastering you, feel free to reach out.